everyone, my name is Gurpreet Kaur. I'm going to share an activity with my colleagues about maths in nature for age group year 1 to year 2. It's a well-known fact that maths is present in nature in amazing ways around our daily routine lives. It can be experienced by exploring this concept in different things from nature like plants, flowers, seed heads, petals, pine cones, etc. When we look at nature closely, we see various geometrical shapes, patterns, similarities, tessellations, paragraphs, and fractals. I plan an activity for age group year 1 to year 2 which is based on symmetry. Symmetry is found in nature, which leads to some very important concept of science and maths. So it's very important to be learned by young students. So today I'm going to perform an activity with leaves based on symmetry. Most leaves are naturally symmetrical. When we split leaf into two halves, one half is the mirror image of the other half. That means both parts are superimposable on one another. For this activity, we need a paper, we need a scissor, we need a pencil, we need a sticky tape, or we can use the glue, and we need different type of leaves. So for this, first of all, we collect different type of leaves. Now I'm going to cut the leaf into a half. So you have to be more careful because we know that the scissors are very sharp. Alright, so I'm cutting the leaf into a half. Just be very careful. I'm cutting the another half of a leaf. Now I'm going to use the sticky tape. Sorry about the sound. Just fix it on the paper. We keep the other half for the later use. Alright, now I'm going to draw with my imagination. Now we can check by putting the other half on the drawn area, and we can see how close we are. So here we go. So this activity conveys the idea of symmetry in nature to the students. It enhances their three-dimensional imagination with respect to symmetry and other geometrical entities. This concept can be verified by putting a mirror next to the first half to the leaf. The image inside the mirror will form exactly the same shape of the other half. Now I can show you with the mirror too. So if we put the one half part on the next to the mirror, and in the mirror we can see the full image of the other halves. Hopefully you get the symmetrical part in the nature. Thanks for joining me. Hopefully you enjoy the activity. Any comments and feedbacks are most welcome. Thank you.